Step 1. The pollen grains adhere to the stigma, that is the opening of the style. Step 2. A pollen tube grows down through the style. Once the pollen tube is established, the pollen grain discharges its 2 sperm cells into the tube, which leads to the ovary. Step 3. The ovary contains egg cells, and when one sperm cell fuses with one egg cell, it results in the formation of a zygote. The other sperm cell joins with another egg cell to form the endosperm, which serves as a nutrient reserve, storing starch, proteins, and oils. Formation of fruit and seed. When the ovule is fertilized, it transforms into a seed that includes the embryo and stored food in the form of endosperm. The embryo is responsible for growing into a new plant. As the fruit develops, the ovary becomes fleshy, and the ovary wall forms the fruit wall, also known as the pericarp. When the fruit matures, the seed is released from the parent plant, which can then grow into a new plant if the conditions are favorable. Knowledge 2.3 Asexual reproduction. There are many other ways to grow baby plants other than using seeds. The vegetative parts of many plants like stems, roots, leaves, and buds can also produce baby plants. It is another way of reproduction in which baby plants grow from vegetative parts of a single plant without the involvement of seeds or spores, and is known as asexual reproduction. It is also known as vegetative reproduction. The characteristics of asexual reproduction are, as the name asexual indicates, the fusion of male and female gametes does not take place in this mode of reproduction. The offspring produced asexually are quite similar to their parent plants. It is a rapid process because it skips several stages such as pollination and fertilization. Each member of a population has the ability to reproduce. In plants, asexual reproduction takes place in 2 ways, naturally 2. Artificially, each one is subdivided into several modes. These modes have been discussed below. 2.3.1 Natural methods of asexual reproduction. Natural methods of asexual reproduction are the strategies used by plants naturally to propagate themselves. The natural modes of asexual reproduction discussed below are through bulbs, tubers, and runners.